Are you ready to unlock your full potential in 2025? In this video, I'll reveal the top 5 artificial intelligence tools that will transform how you work, helping you accomplish more in less time. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or busy professional, these tools will change the game. Let's dive in. Welcome to AI Life Mastery, your go-to channel for mastering productivity, health, and financial success through cutting-edge technology. If you're ready to make 2025 your most productive year yet, stick around because these tools could be the key to reaching your goals faster than ever before. Imagine having a personal assistant built right into your workflow. This is Notion AI. Notion has always been a favorite for organizing notes, managing projects, and collaborating with teams. But with Notion AI, it's smarter than ever. It automates repetitive tasks, summarizes lengthy documents, and even brainstorms ideas for your projects. Feeling overwhelmed by deadlines? Notion AI can prioritize your tasks and ensure you stay on top of what matters most. The best part? You can try it for free using the link in the description. Discover how much time you could save today. If writing feels like a chore, Grammarego is here to make it effortless. This isn't just a grammar checker, it's your personal writing assistant. Need to draft an email, rework a report, or create a social media post? Grammarego does it all in seconds. Think about it, you receive a long, formal email. With Grammarego, you can respond instantly with a professionally crafted reply tailored to your tone. It's like having a communication coach on call, 24/7. Start with Grammarego for free using the link below. Managing projects just got easier with Trello's AI Assistant. It helps you set goals, track progress, and even automates updates so everyone stays aligned. Picture this, you're leading a team, and suddenly, Trello AI highlights a potential bottleneck in your workflow before it becomes a problem. It not only keeps you organized but ensures your team runs like a well-oiled machine. Want to try it for yourself? Check out the link in the description. How often do you find yourself replaying meetings to catch what you missed? Otter.ai solves that problem by providing real-time transcription and instant meeting summaries. Imagine walking away from a meeting with action items and key takeaways already organized for you, no effort required. You can focus on what matters instead of scrambling to take notes. Start saving time now with Otter.ai. Check the link in the description. Zapier is like having a productivity superpower. It connects all your favorite apps and automates tasks behind the scenes so you can focus on what's important. Here's an example. A new customer signs up. Without lifting a finger, Zapier sends a welcome email, notifies your team, and updates your database. It's seamless, powerful, and saves hours every week. Get started today with the link in the description and experience the magic of automation for yourself. These 5 tools, Notion AI, Grammarego, Trello AI Assistant, Otter.ai, and Zapier, are designed to help you do more with less effort in 2025. They're not just tools, they're your secret weapons for success. If you're excited about making the most of these tools, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Which tool are you most eager to try? Share your thoughts in the comments, I'd love to hear your ideas. Don't stop here. Check out these other videos for even more tips and tools to help you master productivity and success. Click on one now and take the next step in your journey.